क्या करें कि फ्लुएंट बन जाए? ऐसा क्या करें कि इंग्लिश बोलना सीख जाए? ऐसा क्या करें कि इंग्लिश एकदम फराटेदार निकले? इफ़ यू हैव दिस क्वेश्चन, so I think this video is very helpful for you. So friends, I listen a lot English videos. I listen a lot English videos, but my English is not improved. Why? I'm listen today, tomorrow, and months, but I'm not improve my English. What should do? What should do for become fluent English speaker? So friends, क्या आपको भी ऐसा लगता है कि हम इंग्लिश वीडियोस रोज़ सुनते हैं, इंग्लिश वीडियोस रोज़ देखते हैं, पॉडकास्ट देखते हैं, कार्टून वीडियोस देखते हैं, पर इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव नहीं हो रही? क्या करें? पर क्या आपको भी ऐसा लगता है कि आपने कुछ चीज़ मिसिंग की है, जो आपको करना चाहिए था पर आपने उसे नहीं किया? डू यू नो यू समथिंग मिसिंग? You something missing which you have to do but you not? What? Practice. Why I tell you practice? Practice because practice it is a very important for becoming fluent English speaker. Okay? Practice is the only one way which you follow, then you will become fluent English speaker. Okay, is I'm right? If you, then please like this video. So why practice is important for become a fluent English speaker? I'm listen a lot, I'm reading a lot, and I do some other things, but why practice is important? I want to know why practice is important. So if I tell you why practice is a lot, okay, so for becoming in English language, it is a most important to practice a lot. Okay, because we are a Hindi medium, okay, we are a Hindi medium student, and here is no any kind of environment to relate English, okay, English speaking. So it is a very important to become a fluent. It is a one only one thing which I followed, you followed, then you will be become a fluent English speaker. That is a practice, English speaking practice. So you have to do every time. If I say your whole day, you should need to practice in English. Okay, if you don't know any English speaking partner, so you should find out first your English speaking partner. In online there is a lot of English app, English AI app available. Okay, so just find it, install it, and start speaking and start practicing with them. Okay, and if you not find it, then you should just front of the your mirror and start speaking. And every day you have to say, I can speak English, I speak fluently. If you not fluent, but you should just speak. Okay, because what you think and what you become. Okay, so just think, yes I do it, then you will I do it. So just start describing what you do today and what was you done. Okay, a lot of things in here in your home available, so just start describing. If I say I stand in my home, and this is my house. If I say this is a wall, okay, and if I say today is Haritalika Teej, that's why I just designed a mehndi in my hand. And if I say, if I just try to describe words, this is evening time and here is a painting. Okay, and no, this is evening time. So if I just say I am walking in my home, so a lot of things here is available, but you should do to speak in English. You should need to speak English. for becoming a fluent English speaker, it's a need. Okay, so you should just start practice a lot. Okay, you should just start practice a lot. If I say I'm walking, okay, so just in this way you have to do practice. You have to do practice. And now I come out in my home, and this is my garden area. Okay, and I want to show you my garden. And in my garden lots of tree available. And if I say names: papaya, lemon, guava, blackberry, mango, pomegranate, and other trees, sugarcane, a lot of trees here in my garden available, and some vegetable plants available also. So this is a very important to speak this language. It is a practice. Okay, start describing your whole day, what you see, what you say, and what you want to do in your next day, your plan, and which plan you have to make for your next day. Just start describing in front of your mirror and like camera. Okay, so just open your camera and start practice. Okay, and as well as listening is important. Okay, and some writing is important. And if I say some writing is important for becoming fluent English speaker, because while speaking you get stuck which words you don't know. Say in writing, while writing you have time to thinking. So just try to improve your English this way. Okay, so that's why I tell you. And now sun is properly set, but today is not very dark. And if I say here is a big mango tree, and in if I say behind me here is a cow shed. Okay, cow shed means गौशाला या अब जहाँ पर गाय भैंस या बकरी जिनको आप रखते हैं उसे बोला जाता है काउ शेड. ओके, सो this is a cow shed, and here is some things available. So friends, if you just try to speak English, okay, and so just follow these tips, then you will see the difference. Okay, if you not, then please comment which I give you, and you follow, but you don't see any kinds of different, any kinds of improvement. Okay, so just try to do is it is very important. If you're not able to do every single day and you're 100% you not able to give your, so just you should give your 50% every single day for improve this language. It's need. If I say it is need to improve this language. Okay, so just start practice. So friends, if you have any kind of question, any kind of suggestion for me, and any kinds of problem, please text in comment below, and I will try to my best to reply for all these comment. And friends, will meet till the next video. Have a nice day. Till then, take care. Bye bye.